Hey guys, I am back again. I just wanted to show you the Dewalt speaker build. I want to play a couple songs for you. I'm going to play a little by Silent Partner and a little by Mozart. I'll play one song of each so you can get an idea of what this sound quality will be like with something of this. Now remember, these are just two BMR 12 speakers and one hi-fi woofer, and there are two other BMR 12 speakers on the back. So there's a total of four of those BMR 12 speakers, that one hi-fi woofer, and then of course the 2.1 amplifier. And if you can see, we're hooked up Bluetooth, and I'm just going to play this directly from my phone without any type of added equalization or anything. So without further ado, here you go. Alright guys, that was a sound test. I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to let you know that the subwoofer is turned fairly far down. It's only about halfway up. So if you wanted to turn that up higher, you could if you wanted more bass. I like more of an even sound, and so I kept it there. And remember, you do have tonal adjustments on the side if you want to adjust that. But for me, I just think that sounds absolutely amazing, especially for $6 speakers and an $11 mid-woofer. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this build, and I will have some more videos to you soon. And of course, as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.